Now the second I saw this globe dodecahedron fire pit project pop up online, I thought it was the coolest thing. And all the stars aligned to make this a practical project for me to tackle right now, so I'm really happy to share it with you. Now the kits for these fire pits are made by 42 Fabricate. He's a great guy with a great channel. This video right here is his video on the fire pit, so check that out. He does a more careful job on the welds. I do just kind of tack them together, and that's good enough for my purposes. But you can make this look nicer than what I've done in this video, and you should definitely check out his channel. And the timing was right to do this project and show you this video, not only because my wife told me she wanted a fire pit in the backyard, but also because it's the perfect opportunity to use this welding tool by MagSwitch that they just redesigned to make it a bit better. Because all of the angles in this dodecahedron are very close to 117. So I set this once, and it is the only work holding jig that I need to put this whole thing together. So the two magnets lock the two pieces that you're welding together in place at the right angle, and then it's just a matter of tacking them together and repeating. So this was just the simplest project ever. On the spur of the moment, we actually decided to have neighbors over for some s'mores and hanging out around a fire, and this wasn't done, so I went down in the shop and came out an hour later with this entirely finished. And I could have done it faster if my geography was better, but I actually had to keep checking an actual map to see how things fit together, which is a little bit embarrassing, but, you know, I'm not here for my geography skills. Just to wrap it up, I recommend a map gas torch to get the fire going, but as always, take no liability if you burn your house down.